at the Baitan Greater Bay Area Arts Center in China's Guangzhou. The center, located by the Po River, is designed in the shape of a huge ship, integrating the Guangdong Museum of Art, Guangdong Intangible Cultural Heritage Exhibition Center, and Guangdong Literature Museum. It will soon open to the public on May the 1st. Let's head into the center and indulge in the world of culture and art. An inaugural ceremony was held at the center on Sunday. To celebrate the opening, a series of grand exhibitions will feature masterpieces from home and abroad. While exploring the venue, I had the pleasure of meeting the wood carving inheritor, who just installed his exquisite artwork at Guangdong Intangible Cultural Heritage Exhibition Center.
你看上去没有什么东西，其实这里已经有8条龙虾、23个螃蟹，还有这几条鱼。因为这个作品，我们是潮州最有代表性的一种贴金木雕。因为从技艺方面，把祖宗遗留下来，我们怎么去发挥，创新性也是很重要。抱着一个目的，就是把我们潮州木雕怎么去发扬，怎么去传承。
The Art Center spans approximately 145,000 square meters, boasting an exhibition area exceeding 40,000 square meters and a shared public space of 35,000 square meters. Designed by the team led by He Jingkang, an academician at the Chinese Academy of Engineering, the center stands as a new landmark, fostering the Culture Bay Area and facilitating culture exchanges between China and the world.